Good morning. This is the weather hazard briefing for Thursday, January 16th. Thanks for joining us this morning. Not too much to talk about, but we'll go ahead and take a look at what we're expecting here for the next few days. High pressure remains in place today, although it's starting to break down and will continue to do so over the course of the day today as a trough moves in to the area out of western Canada, bringing some precipitation chances to the region. And behind that system, we're looking at the coldest temperatures so far this season, moving in behind that. And it looks like it will remain dry behind this system, but it will remain below normal temperature-wise for much of next week. Taking a look at the satellite imagery across the area this morning, it's pretty quiet out there, not seeing a whole lot of cloud cover. It's kind of hard to see in this image, but if you look in the far northeastern corner, up towards the Island Park area, we do have some lower stratus clouds and fog in that area. It's in a pretty sparsely populated area, but it is out there this morning. Some of that might sneak its way into the Teton Valley as well towards Driggs here over the next few hours. We'll see how things play out with that. But generally, it's pretty quiet out there this morning, and that will remain the case for the rest of the day today. We do have that system, as I mentioned before, moving in tomorrow. There has been some changes with the forecast related to that system, but not much has changed as far as the temperatures are concerned beyond that system, as it looks like it will remain quite cold across all of eastern Idaho this weekend and into early next week. As far as temperatures are concerned, everybody's going to wake up to teens and single digits for the most part this morning. High temperatures will be generally running around normal to slightly above normal, depending on your location today. But again, things will trend downward with those temps here over the days ahead. As we get into the day Friday, things will be a little bit warmer as you wake up tomorrow morning in most locations, as we'll start to get some increasing cloud cover. Kind of putting a blanket on the area, if you will, keeping things a little bit warmer. And as we progress through the day Friday into the afternoon, those clouds will continue to increase and our precipitation chances will go up as well. So those temperatures struggle to get above freezing just about everywhere. A few spots, maybe in the Magic Valley, might get above the freezing mark on Friday. And that will be the last time anybody comes close to freezing, at least into early next week. So talking about that system, we have seen some changes over the last 24 hours or so. A lot of the higher resolution models have come in much drier over the last few model runs. Some of the models are actually completely dry with this system now. So the snowfall totals have trended downwards quite a bit from, say, 24 hours ago. Still, the forecast is still calling for some light snowfall accumulations. We'll see how things trend over the course of the day today with these model runs to see if maybe things might trend in the wetter direction once again, or if it continues to trend dry. But you can see most of the population areas that do see snow, the forecast now is about an inch or less. We will continue to see some higher potential accumulations in some of the higher terrain areas, certainly down into the Bear River Range and into some of the higher peaks of the eastern and southeastern highlands. But again, this doesn't look like it's going to be a high impact snow event for the area, but we probably will see some snow. We'll have to see how things play out with the models here over the next day and see if things maybe continue to trend drier, and then the forecast could change when you watch it this time tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But where we do have much higher confidence is that behind that system, things will get quite cold. These are our forecast low temperatures for Saturday morning and our forecast highs. So you can see no one will get above freezing on Saturday. As far as daytime highs are concerned, it's going to be quite chilly with teens and 20s widespread, and things will continue to trend down. Sunday morning will be quite cold, single digits to negative single-digit temperatures expected across the area. Our daytime highs on Sunday, once again, generally teens, lower 20s, at best. So certainly some of the coldest air we've seen so far this year. And once we get into the Sunday night, into Monday morning time frame, all day Monday, and into Monday night and Tuesday, that looks to be the coldest stretch of time for this particular system. So our Monday morning lows are basically below zero just about everywhere. Negative teens to maybe negative 20 below zero as far as temperatures are concerned as you head up towards Island Park and the Yellowstone area. Not expecting a lot of wind, but there will be a little bit of wind out there, maybe 5 to 10 miles per hour at best. And when these temperatures are that cold, it doesn't take that much wind for these wind chills to really get dangerously cold. So the image on the right are our wind chill values forecast for Monday morning. So you can see even down into the Snake Plain and into the Magic Valley, we get to negative 10 to negative 25 below zero. So certainly quite cold for anybody that's expected to go outside Monday morning. So take precautions. There will probably be some sort of extreme cold headlines needed for Monday and perhaps Tuesday morning as well. So we'll take a look at that over the days ahead and see what we may need to issue. As far as Monday high temperatures are concerned, this again will be the coldest day. Most of the area will stay in the single digits to lower teens as far as high temperatures are concerned on Monday. And as you wake up Tuesday morning, it's going to be a little bit warmer, but still obviously quite cold, well below normal, with continued temperatures below zero or right around zero, depending on your location. So again, quite cold for Tuesday morning. And then things will start to trend a little bit warmer beyond Tuesday. We might warm up a few degrees each day, Tuesday into Wednesday and Thursday next week, but it does look like it will remain dry for much of next week. But those temperatures, again, are expected to remain below normal. And as we get into the 8 to 14 day time period, looks like those below normal temperatures will probably stick around, and still not seeing any signs of any significant precip. So for now, we're just calling for like near normal precipitation in that 1 to 2 week time period across eastern Idaho. So that's all I have for you, and thanks for joining us this morning, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day.